Hi, Tyler.
Hi, Daddy.
And Tyler and Mia at Daddy's house. You at Daddy's house? You hanging out? Yeah? Oh, and there's Mia. Mia and Tyler. You guys love each other?
Yeah.
Oh, why'd you get up? What are you doing, hiding? Are you hiding? What are you doing down there?
Nothing.
Nothing. I think you're hiding. Are you camera shy?
No.
No. Then why are you hiding? Silly. Hi, Mia.
That is me, see?
It is you, isn't it?
Yeah.
Are you playing with a Barbie?
Yeah, let me go up and down.
What's your Barbie's name?
I think our caller. How about, her name's gonna be Linda.
Linda?
Yeah, that's a cute name, right?
Yeah, that's a very pretty name.
I'm trying to get all her hair backwards. When she goes in the water, all her hair will go in the front, right? And then we'll have to get it all back.
Yep.
Look how pretty she looks. I got this person all by myself.
You like this music? Huh? Yeah?
Look in there and see what he was doing, right?
Mm-hmm. Looks like he's putting it on right this time. Is he? Is he doing it?
I think so.
He is.
Oh, he is.
Yep. Now he's just got to get his arm in that side and he'll put it on right. Oh. Find the armhole, Tyler. Reach back there and grab your shirt. Let it go. Let it go. Let your shirt go. Now reach back there and grab it.
How come I get it? I'm doing it funny, right? It looks like he's...
Whoa, he did it.
Where's the buttons go, Dad?
What?
Where's the buttons go?